We are having the opportunity to really expand technology beyond the walls of Fowler School of Engineering. The donation of these printers are really going to put state-of-the-art technology in areas where we're not achievable or was not available. We have been having the great ability to bring in the latest and the greatest technology for our students. So our students are really working on the latest when it comes to printers, or when it comes to digital analysis, or when it comes to anything from that aspect. Our students are seeing it firsthand, and that's going to better prepare them when they go out and work with our industry partners.
I think it's really exciting to be a part of the team bringing these to high school students. Having the opportunity to use 3D printers in that year instead of college is such a great opportunity. It's really exciting, it's new equipment, and it's a great introductory to engineering.
You know, growing up in a low-income community, I never had access to these printers, and being able to give these to high school students, giving them this opportunity to be able to use them is super fun and super great, and it's really rewarding to ourselves.
Things like a 3D printer tends to be seen as a luxury, when we know that for our children, for the future, this is an experience that they need to have and practice. So it's that idea of applied learning. I really hope that we start to ignite in them what's the possibility for their future.
So we see this pipeline as coming from our community partners to the Fowler School of Engineering, and then ultimately to our industry partners, and that's where our students are going to go.